Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back for another day on the stream. I'm very nasally, you can hear it. Took some Dayquil. Not feeling the best, but we're going to do it. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. CPI day. Let's get it. All right, Spy ripping. Spy ripping. 417, 418. It's got to be good. Please get off my screen. No. What did you do to me, Broda? It's right behind the screen. And I can't see it. No. 8.5%. 8.5%. What was it expected to be? Estimated 8.7, so it's lower than expected. Not only is it lower than last month, it is lower than expected. So CPI 8.5%, estimated 8.7%. Better than expected and better than last month. Yeah, get this out of here. Get this financial juice out my face. So this is not the pop and drop you were talking about, right, Broda? This is huge push.
JDST.
It's a freaking monstrous push.
EPV.
Wow. Okay. All right. We're looking pretty good here. Yeah, Apron doesn't look too bad, especially if it can get over 350 here. DNMR, Bark, both off the list. Okay, cool. I actually slept a little Apron too, just a little bit. 346. I'll risk like my entry, I guess.
CLSK, CIMD, BLD plus, BLZE, OBLGO.
Don't fade already. Oh my gosh.
BVDC, GSD, PYR, BUZI, OPTT, MCHX.
There's a little bit of buys. 354 now.
MATV, ZIVO, INVZ,
Decent volume. Just needs a push here. Continue through.
Zeta,
Decent relative volume, I'll say. Not crazy volume overall.
PAD plus, PEIB, GIFI, Omer, IXHL, RKLY plus,
I scaled a little bit. Amount of 2,500.
PRLD, Luna, TBLA,
It's going to be one of those I get tired of and sell.
TMFX,
I expected a stronger push through there, and it did not do anything. So,
BLD,
AERC, I forgot about that one. I'll keep ABRN on my other screen.
QNG,
Yesterday's high, 368 on Apron.
BIOR,
Daily has room over 370 to 4. Scaled some already. Okay, smart.
OSUR, DYAI,
I don't like how this is acting. I've already scaled more out. I got 1,000 left. I got a very small 500 share position to phase. Chart looks good. That's why I'm in. But I'm afraid it's going to come wick down and get me. I got 500 shares.
UMDD, CPOP, 80,
It's very thin. This is a very risky one, guys. And please don't blindly follow me ever. Ever.
QNGY,
I just want to see this push to like 25. With good volume, this has the potential to absolutely explode, but will it? It's got very low volume now. Just kind of riding with a stop. Yeah, it never came down to 17. Nope. Couple bidders coming up. Nothing crazy.
SSNT, ALTG, AOMR, DLN Plus,
It could easily fade back to 19 in a split second, though, the way this thing is.
AUD, EASG, GSD,
MGAM, MGAM pushing higher. It's kind of a sympathy remotely to phase discipline. You were talking about it earlier. I was looking at it under 5 and it was struggling. Well, phase might die right here on me. Yeah, everyone's expecting it to rip. You're right. Yep. Next 5 minute comes here in just a second. Just go. That's okay bid for this. It's gone now. Okay. Just rip us up. Come on. We need relatively high volume is what we need. Give us like 100K 5 minute. There's 63K. 64, 65, 70. Okay, we're up through 20 now. I want to see it really break loose though. Come on. It's over 20, but is it going to hold over 20? Is it going to get volume confirmation over 20? Those are two very, very, very different things. It can wick over 20 all day if it wants. See, we're back to 1980. Okay, new 5 minute. Closed over 20 right there, technically. I think I'm going to move my matrix to like maybe 5 cents. Make it a little easier to see. Yeah, there we go. That's way easier to see.
Jenny Plus.
Okay, Bianca.
SMTI. Phase.
Nothing wrong with that. All right, 2070 now. We're starting to break loose a little.
HQI.
Yesterday's high, or actually after hours high, 2119. Trying to be patient on it. There we go. There we go. Come on.
CSSE, APRN, KVHI, BCAB, NXTC, 80, TKC,
This is after hours high, so if it starts to show any weakness, I'm going to scale half. There we go. 21.5. Come on. 21.5 got half shredded there. That was nice. There we go. 22. Come on.
INTZ, MNMT,
Trying to let it breathe a little. Spread's insane on this.
BKSY.
All right, I'm taking my half off right here. 22 now.
NODK, APRN,
QNGY worth watching? Okay, we'll pull it up after I'm out of this trade. I got 250 shares left out of my 500. I scaled half. I'm up about 13% on the trade.
HLBZ,
I'm gonna layer a couple stops here, just in case we wick down.
CLWT, QNGY,
Okay, that one's out. I got 200 left.
BERV,
Do 100 there.
TKC, T-Block,
do 100 there.
BIOR.
Try to secure, maximum profit here.
Lots. Moon.
Okay, there's that. Looked like a bad slippage, but then 20.50 on the rest. Okay. Good volume back up. I got 100 left. Try to let this one ride, maybe. I feel like this could go to 25. It might not, though. It's very risky and very thin.
SRZNW.
MGAM pushed up to 560 on that phase push. So
PRCH.
I'm gonna go look and see what the bottom was on that last candle. Gosh, I'm so stuffy. 2075. Okay, so I'm gonna move up to 2075.
Tile.
Oh no.
BNR. MBCN.
I finally figured out where it hides.
QNGY.
There we go. I don't want to see it go below. Actually, let me go to 2070.
HQI. Hydra.
I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like locking in this 2K day, but the chart still looks good. I'd be at 2K like right here, 21.15.
Akabo. BCLO. INTZ. MRBK.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Screw him. Locked in a 2K day. I locked it. 2010-67. AERC news. AERC.
QNGY 80.
Halting. Okay, we're staying on. We're staying on for a second.
BIOR.
I was getting ready to call it, but we're staying on. AERC news halted up. Only take 1,000. All right, where you at?
QNGY.
Oh, baby. 730. Half off right there. Rest, 699. Resting 699. So half's off. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Halt again. Halt again. Okay, another half off. I got 250 shares left, guys. Halt. 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 Taking 150 more off. I got 100 shares, guys. 100 shares. Risk right here. It's probably gonna get it. All right, I'm out. Made $1,200 on 1,000 shares, so $1.20 per share right there.
AIRG.
And right there, I'm gonna end my day. I'm not gonna look at anything else. I'll take it. 33, 25, 22 on the day. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. I'm done too. Hit all green trades today, but moves weren't great. Great job, JD. Good job. Good job. Appreciate it, AC. Appreciate it, Thomas, Scott, Gold Miner. Yeah, somehow I pulled off a good day on a day I didn't feel very good at all. So appreciate you guys hanging with me. Thanks for the likes, the comments. Appreciate my members supporting the channel, all the donors that have donated up till now. But we will be back here, as always, tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. See you.